Playa Honda beach. It's a bit blowy today, but the sun's out. There's the lifeguard, yellow flag, surfer beach. A few people chilling out there. Got the Aberdeen Steakhouse there, the Rong Cheng Chinese just up there, buffet. Got the Sax bar, goes up to the Gaelic bar up the top there, Dubliner. Right, let's film a bit along here then. So this used to be like a sort of a market here. Oh, here we go, Happy Market, yeah. Happy Market, I'm not sure if it's open today, it looks like it's closed. So it's Monday today. But they do open from 10 till 6, it says. I don't know why they're not open today. Right. So we're film walking along here. We've got loads of umbrellas and that. Not sure what this bar's called. Is it closed down or is it just shut? There's no name here. It used to be open. Sado closed. Oh well. Who can anyone remember what that was called? Right, so we've got like a golf and tennis here. Mini golf, €5. They got a big pool table there, look. It's quite good. Tennis courts. So we're coming up to, we're not far from Veronica's now. Troya Shopping Centre. Couple of boats anchored up over there. Looky man. Moss Fashion. What we got here then? Sunglasses, more sandals. Lots of similar shops along here. Owl Paradise. I've seen another one of these somewhere. Atlanta. Souvenir shop, drinks, sun cream. Mar Bahia. Clothes and that. Shoes. Restaurant Villa Floor. So it's quite busy there. Lots of people. So you can sit in there. Then you can sit all along here. I've sat there a couple of times, had a few drinks and snacks. Parfum Palace, Perfume Shop, ATM, RKS. You've got the big grey pebbles on the beach there, look, a bit like Brighton Beach, but they're all grey. RKS. Not many people in that one, is there? Massage centre. Paseo. There's some sort of music along here. Might have to dub this out. Right, so we're near the Columbus Strip now. Columbus is up there. So we're just going past that now towards Veronica's Limonella restaurant there. Deep Blue restaurant. Little park there for kids. More tables, more pebbles. Look how calm that sea is. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Bit of UB40, do. Right, so there's the Sol Tenerife Hotel. Everyone's sunbathing there, look, got a little bar. Pool there. Bit of a sun trap. Looks quite nice. Right. I don't know where Denice has gone. She's sped off in her scooter. Ah, look how calm the sea is. This looks amazing. You can see the colours on camera, you can't see it with the human eye. It's got a few big rocks here. It's quite pretty, isn't it? Right, so I'm going to end this video soon. I just thought I'd film another video coming along the front here. Sol Tenerife. So we got a few people selling stuff here. Lots of people walking along. So you've got Hotel Gala up there in the background. There's another McDonald's round the front of Veronica's. 2 minutes, there's Santa, look, there's a looky Santa. Different. Oh, Denice is being collared by a looky man. Hello. Hello. Oh look, I caught up with him. So we've got some bags here, Chloe bags. Looky man. Denice is interested in buying one for her daughter. Tote bag. Got little ones, medium ones, big ones. So just see how much they are. Then I'm going to end this video. So Denice got a bag for her daughter, a Chloe bag. €10. No, was it 15?
Yeah.
15, sorry. How much was it originally? 20? So you got £5 off.
I think you wanted more than 20.
Loose haggled with the looky man, didn't you? You did your super duper chat.
I said, I've only got €15.
Yeah.
Oh,
So there you go.
Now. The police must be coming. He's gone.
He's gone. Yeah, look, he's done his quick. Gone. He's gone. Look, the blanket and all the bags are gone. He's going up there now.
That's funny. I love it when they
Right.
do.
So they do get blitz round here. I did it on another video. If you watch my old video.
We have free parking, by the way. I'm not starving.
Right, so I'm going to end it on this video. I'll do another video going along there in a minute. So thanks for watching it. The thumbs up, subscribe button. The Policia are on the blitz for the looky men again. Look, I did it on another video. They like getting the looky men around here. So if you like this, hit the subscribe button. Johnny Vlogger UK. Thumbs up, like, share, notification bell. Bye.